TSMC has crashed -4.48% to $408.75. In this video we break down exactly what is driving this move and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Thursday, June 11th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Caution prevails across asset classes. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is down -1.62%, trading at $7,266.99. Investor sentiment is being shaped by markets whipsaw as RE sell-off resumes CNN. NASDAQ 100 dropped sharply -1.98% to $28,508. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 gains while chip stocks drag down NASDAQ 100. Sherwood News. Dow Jones is down -1.87%, trading at $49,919. Investor sentiment is being shaped by earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. DAX is broadly flat at $24,231, awaiting a fresh catalyst. The move follows reports that stock market today, Wall Street futures edge higher despite Nikkei, Kospi retreat as tech sell-off persists, economy Middle East. FTSE 100 edged higher plus 0.73% to $10,330. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. TSMC plunged -4.48% to $408.75 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by TSMC's $165 billion Arizona Gigafab, Reshaping Us Chips, 2026, tech-insider.org. Nvidia plunged -3.73% to $200.42 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Nvidia earnings May 2026, record $81.6 billion revenue and RE growth analysis Intellectia RE. Goldman Sachs is down -2.98%, trading at $1,001.29. Equity markets are responding to reports that Goldman Sachs beats profit estimates, weak fixed income trading drags down shares. HSBC is up +2.63%, trading at $1,327.40. Investor sentiment is being shaped by assessing HSBC, LSE, SPAR, valuation after recent share price pullback and Asia growth focus, Simplewald St. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that stock market today, Wall Street futures edge higher despite Nikkei, Kospi retreat as tech sell-off persists, economy Middle East. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Turning to commodities. Brent crude dipped to $92.59 per barrel, down 0.55% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that US stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. WTI crude slipped to $89.60 per barrel, down 0.48% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that US stock futures drop after tech sell-off, oil up, markets wrap. Natural gas dropped sharply to $3.12, down 2.07% on the session. The move follows reports that stock market today, Wall Street futures edge higher despite Nikkei, Kospi retreat as tech sell-off persists, economy Middle East. Gold ticked up to $4,115.60 per troy ounce, up 0.18% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by gold extends losses to more than 3% after crucial inflation report, Yahoo Finance Canada. Let us give you our near-term view on TSMC. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for TSMC is around $384.22. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view. Always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.15, gaining 0.02% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, losing 0.05% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.54, gaining 0.1% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to gold. Silver ETFs tumble up to 6% as US Fed rate hike fears. Stronger dollar trigger sell-off in precious metals. TradingView. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.